Hey, gearheads! Today, we're talking about how we can take good care of our cars to keep them safe and happy. So, what is TLC? TLC stands for Tender Loving Care. It means doing things to make sure our cars are safe and work well. It's like when we brush our teeth to keep them clean and healthy. To keep cars happy, we need to make sure the lights are working, the tires are not flat, and the brakes and steering wheel are in good shape. It's like wearing a helmet when riding a bike to stay safe. Some cars have special parts called sensors. We need to check them to make sure they are clean and working right. It's like making sure our toys have good batteries. Electric cars use batteries, and hybrid cars use batteries and engines. We need to be extra careful with them and follow the rules to keep them running smoothly. It's like feeding our pets the right food. That's it for today's video of Axel Wise. See you on the next one, and keep that engine revving.